Hey guys, I have checked in a hotel and I'm in a corridor. Look at this. There is this couch just for if you are going somewhere and you feel like you're tired, you just can sit here or you want to have a conversation. And I'm really amazed by this. So we check in a room and we are specific about our booking. Look. This is the key card, and when I press, it will open the room. We were specific, we want a room with 2 beds. Wow, wow, look at this. We have art, we have art here, and we have the map. Just in case we want to exit in the emergency, this is the fire evacuation plan. So this hotel is really nice. Look at the bathroom. Oh my god, let's see what is inside. Whoa, look at this shower basin. It's really 5-star. I feel satisfied before even sleeping on the bed. I feel satisfied. Look, if I want to stand here and shower, I will stand. If I want to pick the hand and shower, or if I want to use a shower basin, I will use a shower basin. So I have all options with the WC. This is a WC. It's really nice, well organized 5-star hotel. Look, and then inside there is a bidet also. Just in case I want to use a bidet, I use a bidet. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is so amazing. Look at this. Look at this. I feel really satisfied before even sleeping. Wow, there is a cupboard here and a cupboard here. Wow. Oh my god. Whoo! Look at what is in the cupboard. So I don't need to buy coffee, and even I have a fridge here. I didn't request for anything in the minibar. This is the minibar mostly. I didn't request for anything. My booking was about 2 beds. And let's see what is here. Wow, we have bathrobes. Oh my god, this is amazing. If you want to, oh my god, there is iron box. If you want to iron our clothes, then bang. Wow, this is really amazing. So what is here? Boom, safe box. Oh my god, another. I don't want to go. Oh my god, I even have sandals here. This hotel is so organized to the extent that everything is fine. Look here, I can sit here and dress up. I will put my clothes in the cupboard. So this couch, I can sit and relax just in case I don't want to sit on the bed. Look, there is a TV. Oh my god. Oh my god, the 2 beds. Oh my god. It's really satisfying. Look at this. How? This light is really amazing. Let's see how it will be working. Oh my god, we have a TV. Look, we have also a speaker. This is Bose speaker, is really amazing. Look at all this. The garbage is really designed. You cannot think it's a garbage, you know. Oh wow, this is really mwah. Hey, if I want to see it, even there is water, and the water is labeled. Oh my god, look at this. Water is labeled. 4 bottles. Oh wow. There's a telephone if in case I want to get to the reception or book something. I have a telephone here, and let's see what is outside. Let's see outside. Whoa. Ta-da. Baram, baram. See, there is a ocean view, and then there is a fountain view. This is really, really, really beautiful. I can take pictures from here. I can do anything I really want from just here. This is amazing 5-star hotel. I have something like this outside. If I want to sit outside, there's even a chair. If I'm a smoker, there is even an ashtray. Oh wow, this is amazing. It's amazing, really amazing. Oh my god, look at all the furniture, all the interior. Look at the beds. This is amazing 5-star intercontinental hotel. If you want to have a service like this, you should look at it at the Intercontinental. Not a service, a facility like this. This is Intercontinental Hotel facilities. So look at the ground, look at this. We have a carpet and the wood also down. So it's really nice. It's, look. Wow. Amazing. Whoa. Guys, this is amazing. You see how it looks when I'm going outside? If I want to go outside, this is the exit. It's so amazing. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time in the next video. Godspeed. Mwah. Love you.